Hi, my name is Chen Youming, and my English name is Ryan. So I come from Taiwan.
And my name is Jay. My Chinese name is Song Jingchen. I also come from Taiwan, and we study at STUST, Southern Taiwan University of Science and Technology.
Hello, I'm Josué.
And I'm Iker.
And we are from the University of Mondragon University in Spain, in the Basque Country. And we are studying product design engineering.
Hello, my name is Teresa. I am from Austria and I study at the University of Applied Science in Salzburg. For me it was a really nice experience because I never worked with designing because I'm out of the production field. I study wood technology, and here I was really surprised what the MENDELU University and also the city Brno can offer to the students.
If you want me to say the first impression of Czech, I would say the food is great and in a good price.
Yeah. Yes, definitely.
It's been a great experience to visit the Tom factory, and also being working for 3 days in a castle. It's quite unique.
I really enjoy the culture and the people here because even if it is a different language, the people are really similar to the Austrian and we kind of have the same intentions to do something together, and it was pretty fun here.
We are enjoying
Yeah, we're enjoying our stay here, so come here.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah.
Great.